Using a revision guide can be helpful in several ways. 1. It provides a structured and organized approach to studying, which can help you stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. 2. It can help you identify key topics and concepts. 3. It can provide concise summaries of important information, making it easier to review and memorize. 4. It can include practice questions that can help you test your knowledge and identify areas where you need to improve. Now, knowing how good a guide can be, this video tutorial has been put together to show you how you can build your own revision guide using the Maths Whiteboard generator. To start, choose your topics from the list, or use the search tool to filter the topics. Once done, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click Create eBook. A customization box will then appear. In this window you can add a cover title for your bespoke guide. You can choose as to whether you want the answer QR codes to be supplied or not. This is particularly useful if you are worried about students skipping straight to the answers in an activity. You can choose as to whether video support is included. Whether a contents page should be attached at the front, especially useful for long guides. You can also reduce the content down to a specific tier. Once done, click on Submit Options, and all of the ticked topics from the topic list will now be downloaded and included in your revision guide. Opening the downloaded PDF, the guide has a front cover and, if printed back to back, will have notes or key examples on the left and exercises on the right. Alongside each note or exercise, you will see the relevant QR codes to help students extract further resources from the guide, like the answers, video tutorials, or even further practice questions. For students that don't have access to a mobile device, to scan the QR codes for the answers, you can also produce a solution booklet. This booklet contains all of the answers to any key examples or practice questions. Producing bespoke guides can generate a lot of paper wastage at the end, when the guides are no longer required. This is why you can also electronically access the guides online. Each pack that is generated through Maths Whiteboard will be associated with a unique pack ID. Entering the pack ID into ebook.mathswhiteboard.com, the same guide will then be displayed. All answers and video tutorials are then accessible via the icons down the left or right side of the page. Mathswhiteboard.com, the home of the revision guide that gives students more.